Hello everyone, I'm Nora from Pendaily and Shine Global, and today I'm here at MWC in Barcelona with Tecno. You might not have heard of Tecno. It's a Chinese smartphone company and they are very popular in India, Africa, Middle East and Latin America. So if you're not from any of those places, you might not have heard of this company before. But they have released a new phone, the Phantom 5 Fold, so their first foldable phone. So when folded up, this phone is 6.42 inches, and when unfolded, it's 7.85 inches. And the crease is not super obvious, so that's pretty nice. And what they said to me is that you can fold it and unfold it 20,000 times. It's been tested for that, and that would be about 100 times a day for 5 years. So you can use this for a long time. However, when I've talked to competitors about their new foldable phones, they've said it's been tested for 40,000 times. So that's double the amount of this one. So it makes me wonder if this is less durable than its competitors. However, I do really like the design of this. It has a faux leather back, and I think the camera module looks pretty nice. It's kind of sleek and stylish in my opinion. And the camera is a triple camera setup. It has a main camera of 50 megapixel, a telephoto lens, also 50 megapixel, and an ultra-wide lens of 13 megapixels. Now, this also actually has two selfie cameras, one 32 megapixel camera on the sub-screen and a 16 megapixel camera on the main screen. But since this is a foldable phone, you can actually take selfies directly with the main camera, so then you get the best resolution. It comes with a 5,000 milliamp battery and supports 45 watts of supercharge. Now, this phone obviously has a lot of screen, and I imagine it can really drain the battery really quickly. But hopefully that's enough. It really depends on how this phone has been optimized.